Outre. Outre is really that person in a relationship. I say it all the time. They listen. These are the people you need to be in relationships with. People that listen and communicate. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. That's Khrissy with a K. Y'all, I don't know if I should sing my song anymore. It's 2023. I'm trying to like do something different. Let me know if y'all still like the song. But anyway, it's Khrissy with a K. I don't know what to do, y'all. I really don't know what to do, but it's Christina with a K. If you're new here, I do a lot of wig reviews on this channel, and I also do some skincare. I don't do makeup, but I do skincare to show you why you need to do that before the makeup. Today, I'm giving you a wig review on this wig sent to us by Outre. It's the new Kalani wig. It's from the Melted Hairline collection, and she's very beginner friendly. She's very easy. She's very simple. She's a good one, y'all. So y'all stay tuned. I'm just going to show y'all how I put this wig on. It didn't take a lot. It really didn't take a lot. Give this video a thumbs up for me because it helps push me out. Hit that subscribe button. Let's jump into it.
Where you been and where you hiding? I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water. But now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. You're telling me I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are the one that is going crazy. Yeah. Cause you can't even hold your own. But you always know what's wrong with everyone else. How is that? You gonna have to call your friends. Tell them that you're gonna be late. Cause I'ma need you to explain. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself. So yeah. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself. There's been a whole lot of crying, whole lot of trying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. There's been a
Well, hey there. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys some specs, and then I'm gonna wrap this video up and tell you guys how I feel about this wig. So this is the Outre Melted Hairline Wig Kalani. I have the color Brown Sugar Melt, and it is 12 inches. This wig right here, let's see what the stock card says. Oh, this natural color is hitting right here. Y'all read these stock cards. They tell you a little bit of information about the wig that you purchased. And also, if you go on the website with Outre, it'll give you some information. It says here material, it's synthetic. So this is a synthetic wig. It says texture soft. I like that they're telling us the texture, but I think I could have got a little bit more details on that. I would say this is like a nice, soft, yaki texture. I like that they are trying to tell us what kind of texture we jumping into. That's a plus. You're gonna get 5 inches of parting space. This is from the Outre Melted Hairline collection. If you're not familiar with this collection, I say it all the time. If you're new here, the Melted Hairline collection from Outre is a very beginner-friendly collection. You're gonna get this lace frontal effect, meaning that it's gonna look like a whole lace frontal, but you're just gonna get a standard lace part. 5 inches, that's all you get. You get an elastic band in there. I did use that, and it does actually feel pretty comfortable. It comes with some natural baby hairs. You're gonna get some other colors in here: ginger brown, chocolate swirl, honey melt, red velvet, 613s. You know how Outre do. They be hooking us up with the colors. So let's go ahead and jump into this wig. So let me go ahead and tell y'all how I feel about this wig. Initially, I was like, okay, I'm gonna review this wig for all my babes out there that like my short wigs. We can't just be reviewing all the long wigs on this channel. We got to give y'all options.
Thank you so much for acknowledging that. That's like so nice.
And this is a great option. This is a great everyday option, so I do like that. Now, the texture on this wig is very natural, meaning very natural like my hair. I feel like this hair is mimicking a nice blowout texture. Like, not if I flat iron my 4C hair, but if I blew it out with a blow dryer. This is what the texture is going to give me. And yes, it says soft on the website, and I agree. This wig is very soft. It's very soft. It looks like I blow dried her and I put some rollers in her and I cut some layers. And I look very realistic and natural, okay? So I give you guys some cons and some pros, and then we just gonna wrap this up because it's easy, y'all. It's real easy. So as far as the con goes, I really don't have any cons. This wig is very pretty. The only thing that I would say for me personally is that the length of this wig is 12 inches. I kind of wish it was a little bit longer, like maybe 14 inches, only because I like to put my wigs in like ponytails. I guess you could do that, but I don't know. I just feel like I wanted a little bit more length, but I love the fact that Outre is giving everybody options because everybody don't want 14, 16, 18 inches of hair.
Perhaps you're right.
So this is a real good everyday length wig. This is a good work wig. This is a good everyday unit. Another con that I would say if I had to name one is just this layer right here. It's kind of wonky to me. Wonky. Compared to these layers over here, these layers are very pretty. It's very pretty over here, but over here you get like this long layer and it's not really layering right. You could kind of customize it and add some layers in there, so that's fine. It's easy. You can fix it, but I just feel like it's just kind of unbalanced a little bit. But if you put it behind your ear, you can pull it off, you know, and you could do that. So let's just go ahead and jump into some pros because I have a lot of pros with this unit. Now, as much as this length may not be for me, again, for me, I love this length for every day. I love this wig for people that are looking for an everyday unit. This hair is mimicking my natural hair. It pretty much looks like I wrapped my hair, put some rollers in her, and just kind of wore her. Like, I can wear this to work. I might be tempted to get this natural color. I don't watch other people's reviews, but I did see my girl Courtney Janine review a natural color, so I'll leave a link below to her color, and I'm gonna watch her review after this and see what she thought. But check her review out because she did review a natural color if you're interested in a natural color. This brown sugar melt is hitting too, y'all. Like, seriously, it's a color, but it's subtle. It's not too much. It's not too blonde. I love how the tips are more brown. The highlights are just hitting at the right angles. It's just giving. It's giving everything. I think I'm selling myself on this wig. I also love the fact that I really did not have to customize this wig, y'all. Like, I am cheesing, and y'all know I cannot lie. I can't lie. And the truth shall set you free. I love the fact that as much as this texture is really thick, it's yaki, sometimes the hairlines don't be given, I did not pluck this wig. It is super beginner friendly. I love the fact that the knots were super thin and it's looking like hairline. I recently did a video on, do you need to pluck your synthetic wigs? Yes. With some wigs you do, but this one, I don't think you do. You can go in and customize it a little bit if you need to, but y'all know I'll be selling my wigs, so I might sell this one. I might sell this one and just go get a natural color just for work. Pretty much, you don't have to do much to this wig. I did go in with a little bit of adult swoops clips just to kind of break up the hairline. Now, if you're gonna comb your hair back, if you don't want it to look too straight, I think just going in with a little bit of swoops can help kind of make it look a little bit more realistic. I did go on my hot comb and brush that hair back, and the hairline is looking amazing. I also like the fact that this lace, y'all, this lace is slightly darker. Outre is really that person in a relationship. I say it all the time. They listen. These are the people you need to be in relationships with. People that listen and communicate. We do these reviews, they send us these wigs, but they don't tell us what to say. They don't tell us what's new, they don't tell us what's upgraded. And I like the fact that, one, the lace is upgraded, the knots are super thin, the hairline is looking plucked. It's just looking really good. Now, if you're seeing a little bit of darkness, it's only because I went in with my contour stick, because I'm so used to going in with my contour stick and matching it. I went in with that after, and I think I darkened it up a little bit too much, so that's not the lace, that's me, the person that did the review. I didn't go in with any tint spray or powder underneath this lace, and I really do like that. Now, I did go on my bed head. Y'all know how I feel about this bed head. Y'all know how I feel about this bed head. Very little residue. The wig isn't coming off. You don't have to go in with adhesive. You can wear this glueless because of that adjustable band in there, and the wig doesn't feel too tight. It feels very comfortable. You know, I got my gel braids going on, and I also on the tabs, y'all, this is my new signature thing that I'm gonna be doing. I went in with this liquid gold. If you want to secure your ear tabs, I definitely do recommend using this for the sides, because this wig is not coming up on the sides. It's not coming up. I did leave out just kind of my edges on the side because this texture is mimicking my hair. So I left out my edges just to kind of make it look a little bit more realistic. I love how this wig is flowing, even though it is a Yaki texture. Sometimes with synthetic wigs and Yaki, you get stiff. But this ain't stiff. She's moving, y'all. She's moving and grooving. She's been working out. I like her. I like her. I love the fact that I did not have to put any synthetic wig spray on this wig. If y'all know me, y'all know how I feel about my synthetic wig sprays, but I didn't have to put anything on this right now. Now, in the future, you might have to. And when you start doing maintenance with, you know, your Brandywine and synthetic wig sprays, that's in the future. But right now, she's grooving. This is for all my people that like their everyday wigs. This is for you. I did a review for you. Actually, Outre just made a wig for you. Overall, I think she's very cute. I think she's soft. She's very realistic. Now, is it like a glam wig? Maybe. I don't know what your glam is. I can't tell you all that, but I do like the color. I feel like it's very realistic, and I'm happy that Outre is listening to our feedback and upgrading these wigs the way they need to. People ask why you wear synthetic wigs. This is why. Look at this. This is beautiful. I got my hair done. I look good. And last thing before I forget, because y'all ask me in the comments and I really do forget these things by the time you ask me, if you're feeling my lip, actually if you're feeling the whole face, it's Juvia's Place. The lip specifically is a combination of Lady mixed with Barely There and Brownie. A little bit of glass is the combo that is on my lips. Check out this Lippie review right here that I did for Juvia's Place. I'll be giving y'all all the tea, but y'all just need to watch the video. So check out this video right here if you're feeling the whole lip. It's Juvia's Place, y'all. Juvia's Place is it. It's 2 different videos. And shout out to Juvia's Place because my foundation is this one right here, I Am Magic. My concealer is number 11. I just noticed that my contour is Katsina, and my gloss is the lips. Like, Juvia's Place is it. Oh, and the highlighter and the blush. It's Juvia's Place. I just realized that I'm wearing all Juvia's Place, y'all. I might need to do a whole Juvia's Place makeup video, but that's another story. Give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button, and until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.
I know you're lying. Don't you try it.